The buildup began quietly. Over the past several weeks, military convoys were seen moving west through Poland, Slovakia, and Romania. Then, the confirmations came. Dozens of US-made M1 Abrams tanks and German Leopard 2s have now been positioned just miles from Russian territory. According to intelligence sources, these are not training drills, they are real deployments involving allied NATO units. The M1 Abrams and Leopard 2 are two of the most advanced main battle tanks in the world. The Abrams, weighing over 60 tons, is known for its superior armor, firepower, and battlefield electronics. The Leopard 2, Germany's pride, is equally feared for its speed and precision. Together, they represent a formidable force capable of challenging any modern army, including Russia's. The Kremlin wasted no time. Russian media immediately condemned the NATO movements as provocations. President Vladimir Putin held an emergency meeting with top generals. Russian forces near the western region of Belgorod and Kaliningrad have been placed on alert status. Artillery and missile units are being moved. Fighter jets are reportedly conducting patrols non-stop. Russia appears to be preparing for the worst. Many analysts believe this move is a calculated message from NATO. As Ukraine continues its struggle against Russian forces, Western allies may be signaling, "We are ready." The presence of these tanks near Russia's borders could be part of a larger strategy deterrence through strength. But such a strategy comes with risks. The closer NATO forces get to Russia, the higher the chance of direct confrontation. Ukraine, of course, welcomes the move. Government officials have praised NATO's support, calling the tank deployments a historic show of unity. Ukrainian forces are reportedly coordinating closely with NATO units for potential joint operations. Sources suggest a major counter-offensive may be in the works with NATO hardware backing it up. Will NATO push further? Will Russia strike first? Or will diplomacy still prevail? These are the questions echoing in war rooms around the globe. The coming days will be critical. Military analysts warn that this may be the most dangerous standoff since the Cold War. And this time, the battlefield isn't theoretical, it's already in motion. As this situation unfolds, one thing is clear. The balance of power in Europe is shifting rapidly. The tanks are in position, the orders are given, and the world is holding its breath. Stay tuned for continuous updates as we track the most dangerous military buildup of the decade.
Top hat, top hat, top hat.